I'm going to take a demo on trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but it's a branch of mathematics and is concerned with specific angles of functions and its related calculations. Basically, there are 6 functions of an angle that we usually use in trigonometry. Those functions are sine. We normally write it as sine. Next one is cosine. We shortly write it as cos. Next one is tangent. Again we write it as tan. Next one is secant. We write it as shortly we write it as SEC. Sec. Cosecant. Next one is cotangent. We will shortly write that as cot. So these are the basic 6 functions of trigonometry. Now these 6 functions we can illustrate in a diagram. Say for example, we can illustrate to a right angle triangle. Before that, we should know what is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. So this is a right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. So we can name these sides as A, B and C. So this angle is theta. So the side which is, this is the right angle. The side which is opposite to this right angle. This is a right angle and this is the side opposite to it. So we say this as hypotenuse. We shortly write it as like this. Then the side which is opposite to this angle, which is opposite to this theta, we write it as opposite side. And the remaining is the adjacent side. So depending on this right angle triangle, we can classify the formula for all these 6 functions. That is, we can write the formula for sine goes like, sine is nothing but opposite by, I am just classifying according to this diagram. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Next one is the cos. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Next one is tan. Tan is nothing but, it is sine and cos. So simply we can write it as sine by cos is the value of tan. Now with these 2 values we can derive the formula for tan. See for example, sine by cos. So what is the value for sine we found here? It is opposite by hypotenuse. By cos. What is the value of cos here? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So what happens is, these 2 denominators are being same, hypotenuse will get cancelled. So what is the remaining here? Opposite by adjacent. So this is the value of tan. So value of sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Value of cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Then first 3 we have assigned it. Sine, cos, tan. For these 3 we have assigned it. Depending on the value of sine, cos, tan, we can also determine the other 3. See for example, next the other 3 is cosecant, secant and cot. The other 3 is cosecant, secant and cot. This cosecant, secant and cos is nothing but the reciprocal of sine, cos and tan. Say for example, cosecant we can write it as reciprocal of sine. What is the reciprocal of sine here? Sine here is opposite by hypotenuse. So the reciprocal goes as hypotenuse by opposite. Same way for secant. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So what is the cos here? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So what will be the reciprocal? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Then for the cot, what is the what value we have for tan? Opposite by adjacent. So the reciprocal will be adjacent by hypotenuse. So these 6 are the basic formula for a trigonometry, to solve trigonometry problems. Now we'll move to a short example. So I'll just write a question on the board. This is a short example. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Find sin A cos A. So see, in right hand, that is in a triangle ABC, we are having a triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, it is right angled at B. It is right angled at B, and AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find the value of sin and cos. Before finding the for finding the value of sin and cos, we have to need what is the formula for sin? As we previously we went through, no? What's the formula for sin? It is opposite by hypotenuse. So we need the value for these 3 sides of the triangle. So unless you find the value of these 3 sides, you can't find the value of sin and cos. So first we have to find the value of these 3 sides. See, for example, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So this is a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle, and side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. Okay. In the question itself, they have given you certain values. So we have to find AB equal to 24 centimeter. The side AB is 24 centimeter. First we'll write out the given values. Whatever is given in the question, we just represent it to this diagram. BC is 7 centimeter. The AC side is not given, so we have to find the side AC. AC is not given. We have to find AC. Okay. So before that, one more thing they have mentioned, right angle at B, which means B is equal to 90 degree. Right angle at B means, what is the value of B here? 90 degree. This is a clue given in the question itself. So, to find the value of this side AC, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is nothing. It is the square of hypotenuse side equal to sum and square of the other 2 sides. That is, square of one side equal to square of the other 2 sides. Okay. So square of one side. What is the one side here? AC squared equal to, what is the other 2 sides here? AB squared plus BC squared. So we don't know this side. So keep it this AC as it is. So what is the AB squared? What is the AB value of given AB? AB value is given. So what is it? 24 squared. Then again BC value is also given. That is 7 squared. So 24 squared. What is 24 squared? You have to multiply 24 into 24. So 24 squared is 576. Plus what is 7 squared? 7 into 7 it is 49. When you add these both, you will get 625 centimeter square. Since I was taking square root, so AC is equals to 625 centimeter square. Now I am going to take square root on both sides. When you take square root on both sides, here it is AC square equal to 625. When you take square root on both sides, here the square root get cancelled. Here you will get a square root symbol. See, like this. AC is equals to root of 625. Simple. This square will come to this side. So you will be getting a square root. So what is the square root of 625? It is 25. The square root of 625 is 25. So now we got the value of AC. So this is the value of AC. So AC, we have found AC value. AC value is 25. Now we have found all the values of all the three sides. That is AB is 24, AC is 25 and BC is 7 centimeters. Now with the help of these values, we are going to find the value of sin A and cos A. So first we write the formula for sin A. What is sin A formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Next we write the formula for cos A. Cos A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Now we will refer this diagram. What is the opposite side here? This one. So what is the side number? 24. So 24 by, what is the hypotenuse here? 25. So this is the value of sin A. Next is cos. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side here? 7. What is hypotenuse side here? 25. Additionally, we can also find the value of tan. How will you find the value of tan? As I have already told you, tan A is nothing but it is sin A by cos A. Tan A is nothing but it is sin A by cos A. We have already found the value of sin A. What is sin A? 24 by 25 by, what is the value of cos A? 7 by 25. So I will just write it clearly here. So what we are getting? 24 by 25, 7 by 25. See, the denominators are common for both, so we can cancel it. So we get the value of tan as 24 by 7. So this is the value of tan. So this is the way you must find the values of sides. Thank you.